Have you wanted to see 1922 Supplee Rd right here in Lansdale, but because you've been limited on time, you haven't been able to do so? Well, if that's the case, then this episode of Seen in 60 is just for you. I'm gonna put 60 seconds on the clock and I'm gonna show you this home in 60 seconds or less. Let's go. So there you have it, folks, 1922 Supplee Rd. I'm Chris Nelson, and if there's anything that I can do to help you, including showing you this amazing property, feel free to reach out. And remember, who moves you?